Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Spark trunk. There are a few straightforward ways to access the cargo area, whether you're inside or outside the vehicle. We'll cover using the interior release button, your key fob, and even manual key access. Understanding these methods ensures you can always get into your trunk with ease. Let's get started with the most common approaches. The most common way to open your Chevy Spark trunk from inside is by using the interior release button. This button is typically located on the driver's side, often near the door handle or on the dashboard. Simply press it firmly, and you should hear the trunk latch disengage. Remember, the vehicle usually needs to be unlocked for this feature to work properly. Your key fob offers a convenient way to open the trunk remotely. Just press and hold the trunk release button on your fob for a few seconds, and the latch will release. If your battery is dead or the fob isn't working, you can use the physical key. Insert it into the keyhole, usually located near the license plate, and turn it to manually unlock the trunk. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any items that might be blocking the latch. Also, confirm that all vehicle doors are unlocked, as some systems prevent trunk access when locked. In an emergency, or if you're locked out, most Chevy Spark models have an emergency release lever inside the trunk. This glow-in-the-dark handle allows you to open it from the inside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.